Today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve Acer Aspire 3 BIOS menu opens automatically on startup. It usually indicates a hardware issue or incorrect BIOS settings. To resolve this, try these steps: power off the laptop completely, unplug all external devices and remove the battery. Check for stuck keys on the keyboard. Then, try booting the PC again. If the problem persists, you may need to reset the BIOS settings to their default values. Use arrow keys to adjust the order of devices. Reset BIOS settings. If you successfully enter the BIOS, navigate to the Exit menu and select Load Default Settings. Save the changes you've made by clicking F4 or F10 and Enter button. Once you exit BIOS, the computer will restart automatically under your settings. After the computer is turned on, the computer will be turned on without any problem. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.